If a number divided by 2 gives an exact answer, the number is called an even number. If we look here, 4 divided by 2, let's just show it grouping. There's one group of 2, there's another group of 2, and we have 2 groups. This means that 4 is an even number, because when we divide it by 2, it gives an exact answer. To check our answer with our multiplication sum, 2 times 2 is 4. Number 2. If a number divided by 2 gives a remainder, the number is called an odd number. So 5 divided by 2, here's our first group of 2, there's another group of 2, but whoops, we can't make another group of 2, we have one little dot remaining. So 5 divided by 2 gives these two groups of 2 with a remainder of 1. Because we have a remainder, this means that 5 is an odd number. Now, to check our answer, we're going to times these two together, 2 times 2, and we plus our remainder. 2 times 2 is 4, plus this 1 gets us back to our original 5. For question 3, it says make groups of 2 dots each. So for A, if you count, there are 7 dots in total. So make groups of 2 dots each. There's the first group, second group, and then there's a third group with 1 dot remaining. So 7 divided by 2 gives us 3 groups of 2 with a remainder of 1. And let's check our answer. 3 times 2 backwards gives us 6, plus our remainder of 1 gives us 7. For B, 13 divided by 2, you can check. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. 13 dots. We must make groups of 2. There's the first group, second, third, fourth, fifth. We can make 6 groups of 2 with a remainder of 1 dot, and we check 6 times 2 is 12, plus 1 is 13. Number 4, it says without drawing and grouping dots, we can use multiplication and addition, which we have seen, to check the answers to division sums with remainders. So for A, we have 9 divided by 2. So we must think, what is the biggest number of times that 2 can fit into 9? The answer is 4, because 4 times 2 is 8, but we still need to plus 1 to get to 9. So this means that the remainder is 1, because 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 will give us 9. What is the biggest number of times that 2 can fit into 15? The answer is 7. Because 7 times 2 is 14, but we still need to plus 1, so our remainder is 1 to get back to 15. What is the biggest number of times that 2 can fit into 21? The answer is 10, because 10 times 2 is 20, and 20 plus 1 is 21. So the remainder is 1, and you check, 10 times 2 is 20, plus 1 is 21.